Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 251. If we start with this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 6 here, so 3, 9, 3 and 6 here. So this is our 9, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got the 2 here and the 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 7. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 6 here, so this is our 5. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8. 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 8. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5, 9 here, so 4, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here. Oh, is that right? That would make this our 6 and this our 4. But now we have 2 4s in this row. All right. Well, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Leave a comment down below if you saw where I made a mistake. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.